This peach mousse is nothing short of extraordinary. Our family always looks forward to peach season. This dessert is very refreshing and is low on sugar. Slice across the peach and twist gently to open it. This may take a few tries. Remove the pit and roughly dice. You'll need about 3 cups. You can also use canned peaches in the same quantity. Adding lemon juice helps maintain the color of the peaches and gives the mousse a slight tanginess. Be sure to remove the seeds. Add the peaches to a blender, followed by the lemon juice. Mix well until all the skin is blended in and the color is uniform. Set aside. Add cold water to a pot. Add the gelatin to the water. Mix, then let rest for 5 minutes to rehydrate. Add sugar to the pot, followed by a pinch of cinnamon. This small amount of cinnamon enhances the flavor of the peaches. The mousse won't taste like cinnamon. Mix and place on medium heat. Continue stirring until the sugar has dissolved, about a minute, then remove from the heat. Add the gelatin mixture to the peach puree and mix to combine. Reserve a half cup of puree for topping. Keep at room temperature. Place the rest in the fridge to set for at least 2 hours. If it jiggles when you shake it, it's set. In a large bowl, add the whipping cream and whisk. We did it by hand and it only took 2 minutes and 41 seconds. It's not worth taking out the beaters for this. It's nice to serve this mousse with a cookie on the side. We recommend our amaretti cookies. Add the peach mixture from the fridge and gently fold in. It's important to do it gently because this way you keep the fluffiness of the cream. If you like this video, please show your appreciation by giving us a thumbs up. We put a lot of work into our videos. Spoon the mousse into dessert cups or whatever you have to serve it in. Pour the reserved peach puree on top and jiggle to spread it around. Refrigerate for at least an hour. Now it's time to make it pretty. When you're ready to serve the dessert, choose a peach with bright skin that is ripe but firm. Slice across and remove the pit. Cut very thin slices. These will be for garnishing when you're ready to serve the dessert. Place about 3 slices on top of each. If you have some mint on hand, it will make the dishes even prettier. Look at the color! This dessert is perfect for a summer dinner party. Our amaretti cookies are so easy to make. You only need 4 ingredients and they complement the mousse very nicely.